this is one of the songs that I had written. It's been a while back. I can't actually remember when I did it, but Paramount had performed this song for me. I've either had Paramount or did my song or Nashville songwriting companies to do my songs, but I think this is like one of my mom's favorite songs. It's called If My Wings Could Fly. Okay, if I can get it to play. There it goes. I bought a balloon that says I love you and a card's written in my heart. And I wonder if I told you, don't know where to start. There's a rainbow and a thunder that makes me think of you, and a song that I hear playing, and I wonder if you hear it too, and I know that it can't be you. If my wings could fly, would you catch me if I fall? If my dreams could reach above the sky so high, would you love me after all? How can this be? How can this be? Dreams can last forever. All we have to do is hold on to them forever. All I do is sit and wonder. All I do is sit and cry. I clearly hear the thunder, and I love to ask you why. But I don't know where I'm going. I'll sit and watch the sky. All you want to do is roam here. Don't leave me with one deny. If I can make it through the night, if my wings could fly, would you catch me if I fall? If my dreams could reach above skies so high, would you love me after all? How can this be? How can this be? Dreams could last forever. All we have to do is hold on to them forever. All we have to do is hold on to them forever. Forever.